Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will explain what the Bosch Dishwasher E3100 error means. The E3100 error indicates that the dishwasher has detected a water leak in the base of the machine. What should you do first? Before checking anything, turn off the dishwasher and shut off the water supply. Where is the leak sensor? The leak sensor, also called the float switch, is located in the base tray underneath the dishwasher. If the clot in the tray, the float rise and trigger the E3100 error. Now let's understand how to fix dishwasher. Check for visible water. Tilt the dishwasher slightly and check for water in the base tray. Remove the water. Soak up all the water in the base tray using a sponge or a towel. Then check the float switch. Press the float switch down and make sure it moves freely and pop back up. Check for the source of leak. Inspect around the door, seal, water inlet, valve house, pump and internal tub for any leaks. And also remember, let it dry completely. Leave the dishwasher out for a few hours to dry the base completely. Reset the dishwasher, plug it back in, turn on water supply and power. Start a cycle and check. Common cause of error is some common cause includes water collecting in the base tray, a damage or clogged door seal, loose house, faulty water connection, overfilling, excessive surge, or a problem with the aqua stop system. Now the question is how to prevent future leaks. To reduce chance of happening again, run the dishwasher regularly. Use the recommended detergent, clean the filter and spray arms regularly, and check the house and door seal for time to time. Also avoid overfilling the dishwasher. If the error remains after the base is completely dry and you check the leak, the aqua stop or leak sensor could be faulty. In this situation, it's the best to contact customer support or a qualified technician. Once the leak is fixed and the base is completely dry, the E3100 error should clear. The dishwasher should return to normal operation. I hope this guide helped you understand the problem and troubleshoot it safely. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.